Okay, so can you introduce yourself? So hi, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, I am Ayan from Team Genesis.
Hi, my name is Shan. I'm doing BTech. I'm in third year.
Okay, so since you guys are next, how do you feel? Are you nervous or something?
It's not like getting nervous, but yeah, we are quite confident about our pitch, about our help desk, about our PPT. It's just like we have to perform our best, yeah.
Is this your first case competition?
Yes, it is my first case competition and it's a whole new experience.
Like we heard your speech, it was really good. Like how did you prepare it?
First of all, thank you very much. I didn't prepare any speech, I was familiar with the content on my presentation. So while I was making my presentation, I did deep research. So as I was creating the design, I just kind of memorized it. So there was no script, I just went with the flow.
So what was the one challenging thing you found about the competition?
Well, the most challenging thing for me and for my group was time constraint that 180 had placed there. Just 2 to 3 days we have to do all the things. We have to do research, we have to present in a PPT, and also we have to prepare ourselves to present it. But I would like to appreciate the work that we group contributed, like the Aryan and Sakibas, she had, and like they performed extraordinarily well for collecting the research, and Dhriti was also good in presenting it in a PPT. I usually I was just selecting out the data and transferring it to Dhriti. So that's it.
Okay, so as you're alone in your team, how did you manage to do all the work?
Yeah, it was quite difficult for me. I had to do work continuously, research, making PPT, everything. I did work 14 hours a day, and in total, I think I got 30 to 35 hours for this PPT.
How did you manage to do all the round of work all together by your own self?
Well, it took 4 days, and during those 4 days, I only slept for 4 to 5 hours. So yeah, it did took a kind of sacrifice to make it. And I just, after college, I missed 2 days of college because I was at home. I was kind of making the PPT. So entire day would be wake up, make some PPT. If I have lab, I would have attended the lab. And if you just work for 4 days without sleep, I think anyone can make it. So it was just, I was sacrificing my sleep for it.
So hi Dhriti, since you are not from consulting, how did you manage with everyone, and what did you learn from your experience?
So, of course, I was very nervous coming into this in the first place because I was like, "Theek, I am not from the consulting background." However, my teammates were very, very supportive and they helped me, understand any term that I did not. Also, working under Imad with the helping, he helped me with the PPT and everything. It was very, very tough otherwise because it would have been very tough to do it alone because even though I am experienced in GD, I would still have problem accumulating data, shortening it because it's so much, right? So yeah, their research, his help, guidance, and yeah, I loved it.
Do you have any prior experience in it?
In case study competition, no, this was my first try. So I saw this competition and I just asked my friend that this is a good opportunity. So I was like, okay, I can just try and make a case competition. This is my first time. So I was like, I was the underdog here. No prior experience, little experience with Canva and all. So I just took it, kind of as a challenge. If my thought process was if I made it to the final round, I would be satisfied with myself because I knew there were people who had already done this. So I just, I had this mindset that if I were to submit just a proper presentation, I was happy with myself. So that was my goal. And I think based on the reviews from you all, I think I am happy with myself and my performance.
Is this your first case competition?
Yeah, this was our first case competition. Definitely it was very nice. We gained a lot of hands-on experience on how the things work and how to present ourselves. Definitely it was a good session. Thanks to the hard work done by my teammates, especially Tahir and Faizan.
We are quite prepared, but we never know what's going to happen. So yeah, that's it.
I'm personally so much excited. It's my first case competition, so I'm so much excited.
Were you guys nervous during the presentation?
I think all of us were very nervous, but if I were to tell about myself, I mean, you could not tell, but I was very nervous because I was given that mic and it was just so damn heavy and my hands were shaking because of that. But I think it's just important to put yourself out there because you have to tackle that nervousness, and I think that's the first step. That is very difficult to take, but we all should do that. So I am very proud of myself and very proud of all my teammates for being nervous and still giving our best.
What were the challenges you found about the case competition?
It was a hard one because ये हमारी पहली प्रेजेंटेशन थी और पहला ही केस स्टडी था और क्योंकि हमारे पास बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं था प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए और पीपीटी बनाने के लिए भी, लेकिन उसी शॉर्ट टाइम में हमने पीपीटी बनाई और प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए प्रैक्टिस की हमने। एक्चुअली हम सुबह ही आ गए थे 9 बजे, इसीलिए प्रैक्टिस की उसके लिए हमने और वी आर गुड इनफ टू गो।
Like since you guys are a team of 4 people, like how did you manage to comprehend on a single opinion?
As me, Imad and Sakiba were already working on a team, Project Seek, under 180 DC, we already knew each other. So that was kind of easy to form. She brought along Dhriti for the graphic team, again commendable work. So it was very easy going for us. And also there was, I feel there was an unspoken thing between us that we knew who was supposed to do what, and our task was divided easily. So that's kind of what made things very easy. And there were no clash as such. There were instances where my research were not comprehensible for some other member. So I explained it to them, and that's how it was.
No comments.
Okay. Thank you.
Here come baddies. Winner.